Hey everyone, we're going to show you all how to create a digital badge or a digital sticker using Google Slide. So the first things first, you need to open up or go to your, I call this the waffle, but this is the Google app launcher. So you're going to select that. And my Google Slides are already here, so I'm going to select that. Now, after you have selected it, we're going to go to blank and we're going to show you how to format the page so that when you insert it onto the student's work or your portfolio or wherever you want to have it, it's sized correctly. So let's take a look at file, and we're going to set the page. So what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way, we select the file and we're going to scroll down to page setup. Now, after you've gone to page setup, you want to select this small little triangle here where it says widescreen. Select it, and then move your cursor to custom. All right, so once you've moved it to custom, we want to make this 10 by 10. The 10 for width is already here, but so we want to get rid of this, and then this will be, so type in your number 10 as well, 10 by 10, hit apply. Now, after you've done that, we want to get rid of this. Sometimes you have a lot of people that can get rid of this different ways. You can select it and hit backspace. Or if you want to go to slide, you can select slide and you can go to apply layout, and then you simply scroll down here and then you go to blank slide, and then you can select it and it'll, basically it'll do the same thing. Okay, so here we have the layout, the way that we want to place our digital sticker. So let's title it here. We'll just call it sticker. We'll just call it DS for digital sticker, just for purposes of this video, but you name it whatever you want. So when you're creating your digital sticker, you want to insert a picture. Now, I like icons, different types of icons. And so what I'm going to do is go to the add-on section and get some icons. There are a couple of different icons you can select, but anyway, go to where it says add-ons and then go to the come right here, select add-ons, and then you're going to go to the store in which you're going to pick the ones you want. Now, just like anything else, icons have ratings. So there are a couple out here. I tend to, they're all free. So you just kind of play around with the ones that you like. But anyway, type in icons in your search, and then you can select Flatigon is good, and Inserticons. And this is the one that I use. But either one is fine. Okay, so since I already have this one, we're going to go here, and this is how it looks. And then this says uninstall, but yours will say install. I already have it installed here. All right, so we're going to get out of there. We're all good. We have our icons that we want to create our digital badge with. So let's start with a shape. So we're going to go to insert, and we're going to go to shape. Now I'm going to select not the square, but I'm going to select the next one that we see right here. Okay, it's a rounded rectangle. So you're going to select it. And I usually, because I like things perfect, I usually hold down the shift button. I start right here. I hold the shift button, and then I'll click and drag. So this is a perfect shape. Now, all you have to do is move it. And then when you see see how it's across right there, it's perfectly aligned, and you're good to go. All right, so we want to change the color. So you're going to go here to your tool, your fill bucket tool, select the color that you like. Let's select this one right here. And then what you want to do for your line, for your border color, I usually will make that transparent. All right, so I'm going to click out of there. And now my background, I'm going to select background. After I've clicked out, select background. And you want to go where it says color. All right, so see where it says color? You're going to go there and you'll also make that transparent as well. Select done. Okay, so let's put some fun images or text on our rounded rectangle, and let's go to insert, and let's go to oh no, let's go to add-ons. All right, so we're going to go to insert icons for slides, and that's the one that I showed you earlier where I went to the store called insert icon. So we're going to go there, select open sidebar, and here on the side, let me move this out the way. Here on the side, we have lots of different icons that we can use. Okay, so you can customize it yourselves, and I love these because there's so many that you can do. All right, so let's create an icon for a student. Let's say that they are proficient in using the iPad. All right, so you can select it, but not only can, you can also, I believe, can change the color. So let's see. And the way that you would change the color, let's go to format options and go to recolor. And then that way you can change the color of these icons, you know, because you may not necessarily want that color. All right. So you select the color that you want. I like this one. All right. So you can size it the way you want to size it and place it here. If you want to add text, let's go to insert word art. So I'm going to move my frame over here. So let's go to insert and let's go to word art. So you select word art and let's say iPad achievement in iPad usage or something like that. So iPad achievement award. Okay, so see how that looks. Oh, okay. All right, so let's change the font. All right, so we'll highlight it and let's change the font to something else. Let's try this one like that. All right, you can resize it. Oh, and also, let's go back. You also can change the color. I forgot about that. So you can change the color as well. Let's darken it a little bit. All right, so if you want to do that, you can do that. If you, I think I want to resize this a little bit and make it a little larger. Okay, if you want to add anything else, you can do that. So let's go to file, because what we want to do now is we are satisfied with our badge. Let me pull this in just a little bit. We're satisfied with our badge. We want to download it now. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to file, but we're going to download it as a PNG. So select file, go to download, and now go to where it says PNG image. And this is going to save this image like you would if you were taking a picture. All right, so let's call this let's see, badge number 5. And I'm going to place this in my digital badge folder. All right, so badge 5, that's what I'm going to call this. All right, so now if you want to insert your digital badge into a student work, you can go to Seesaw, you can go to Google Classroom or whatever platform that you decide you'd like to go this to. So let's take a look and see what it looks like when you're in Seesaw. So I'm going to select the plus sign. I'm going to go to Seesaw. I'll go to my account. Now I have a testing account. And that testing account is where I usually kind of test if I'm creating something new so that I can see how it looks. And this testing account is along with my other accounts that I have. All right, so let's take a look. It's called Zany Test. And I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go to these 3 dots here. All right, so I select that, and I want to go to edit. So I'm going to edit item, and I want to insert this badge. Now, I already have one badge here, but now this student, I'm proud of this student because they use the iPad, so they're going to receive a digital badge for using the iPad exceptionally. So I'm going to select upload. I'm going to go to my digital badge folder, and the digital badge I created is called badge 5. So I have that in there, and there you go. iPad Achievement Award, and that's it. So I hope that this video helps you create your own digital badges. Thanks so much for visiting, and see you next time.